Go. Oh, hi guys. This is something that me and my sister bought. It's a Shoppkins surprise mystery bag. Everything's in here. We're gonna see what we can find. So let's first press this. What's this? Oh look, we found this. Isn't that cool? We found this. Oh, what is this? I wonder what this is. We found this. What's in here? What else is in here? Anything else? Nope. That's all. What's in here? Oh, look. We have a cone. And we have a nice ice cream glazer. Very nice to eat. And now let's check this compartment. Oh, no one's there. Let's go down here. Look. We found a nice Shoppkin. We found this inside. We found this inside. We found this in here. Also have a big this. We found this. We found look at this. Look at this. That's all for this compartment. Now, let's see the fridge compartment. First, we're going to look at these three. Look, we have a like this. Oh, look, we got an ultra rare in here. Look, and look what we got. We got this. And look, it comes apart. Look, it comes apart. Let's shut it up again. Put it on display. Let's see what else we have. So here we have, ooh, look, we got a nice lantern. And now a nice washing machine. Look at this. And now let's keep looking. Oh, look, we found a pretzel. Oh, and look, we found a nice strawberry. Woo. Stay up there, strawberry. What else is in here? Oh, look, we found a brownie and a hat. Look, it's also cute. They're all cuties, aren't they? And now let's go to the middle row. Oh, look what we found. Oh, hey.
This is falling down.
Stop.
Is that falling?
Look.
And then the wedding's beyond that.
And look what we also found. This Greek yogurt. Oh, pretty nice. What else? Oh, that bone.
I don't. No, but don't talk to my video.
Oh, look, we even have a nice croissant. And a nice wrapped candy. And a nice purse. And we're going to back this out. Oh, look, we have Pancake Jake.
Don't forget about
We have Pancake Jake. And this little cupcake. Let's slice back in. And now let's do this. Oh, look, we got a pumpkin.
That's a happy place.
Oh, we'll keep going. Oh, look, we got some pudding. And a nice birthday cake with a boot. And this nice spaghetti. Oh. Where's that spaghetti? Oh, there it is. Spaghetti, what are you doing? Hiding. Oh, we also have Milky Moo. This ice cream dude. We also have this. More spaghetti. That's with frozen yogurt. And we have this nice little candy wrapper. And now we have a couple more things to get out, and then this video is over. Oh, look! Twisters! Look at this licorice. Yummy to eat. Oh, look! Yummy! A boot. Oh, some lipstick. Looks like a lipstick, or is that chocolate? I don't know. Ooh, and here's a nice shirt. So, here, guys, that's all for today's video.
And do you remember 2 of them were pop-off heads? One we didn't show you. No, Marcus.
One.
And you know, there's actually 3. Look, 1. And next one, there's 2. And then there's 3.
Where?
So he's with that one by the bone.
Oh, look. And then this one pops off too. These pop off. And then this one pop. And this one doesn't pop off. Huh. Okay, there's only 2 pop-offs. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.